Hello guys, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to enable screensaver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So first thing that we are going to do is right click and click personalize, and you will be navigated to this tab here, as you can see, and you will be just scrolling down a little bit, or you can type here lock screen settings, and here you will see personalize your lock screen with picture, slideshow, or window spotlight. But we'll not be doing this thing. This is just for lock screen, but you can set any picture you want also. Like this is good, but I like window spotlight more. But what you're going to do is first you can see this power. This screen is set to never turn off. Yeah, but if your screen is not set uh, to be never timeouted, then you will be going to screensaver, and here you will have 3D text, preview. Also you have bubbles. Yeah, as you can see right here. Apply. Yeah, it's not gonna be right now, but you can see resume display log on screen. But here you can set ribbons. Just click preview, and yeah, it's a nice thing that it connects to my both monitors, and yeah, it's like screen saving. But yeah, that's how you can enable screensaver, and thanks for watching, and I will see you next one. Peace.